Traditional teaching methods nowadays seem to be ineffective with students who need a more interesting method to capture their attention and interest. Innovative teaching methods such as game-based learning come to the rescue for teachers. It has been shown to bring enormous benefits to students who actively participate in their own learning. Among the useful tools to use games in the classroom, we recommend learningapps.com, in which you'll find many ready-to-use games on different themes, or you can even create your own. You can create your own game if you can't find anything relevant to your class. Learning with fun will bring better results than passive learning. Try it if you don't believe it.